the solution to this example. So over here, we're going to use VLOOKUP. We're going to create our VLOOKUP. What's the lookup value? We're going to look up that over there. Now this is a very common error in our courses, is when you give it the table array, even though we've set this up nicely and this looks like a nice database here, you cannot do that. The reason being is that whatever it's looking for here, this transaction ID 100-129, has to be in the first column you've given it. So you cannot do that. You have to start this over here. And then if I want to highlight whatever I might bring back, in this case we're going to bring back only the first column, so it doesn't matter. But let's put the dollar signs on. The column we're going to bring back, column 1, range lookup false. And when I say OK, I can now copy it down. And if you scroll down, you'll see whole sections that seem to have been lost out of here. So what this is saying is that transaction ID doesn't exist in this list. The opposite of that, so again it's another VLOOKUP. We now want to say that transaction ID, is it anywhere here? And again, keep in mind, you cannot highlight that one. You must highlight this one. So this case, I'm going to just do the one column, put my dollar signs on, column 1, false, click enter. When I double click on it, you'll see that there's some transaction IDs on this side that are not on that side.